Hey guys, welcome back. And today we're going to be looking at some sewing projects that I completed earlier in the month before re-aggravating my foot injury. Yes, I am still dealing with that. Now, let's take a look at project number 1, which is my mustard yellow drop crotch floral jumper. I really love this project. First and foremost, I fell in love with this fabric. I got the fabric at Hobby Lobby on sale, and I think I purchased maybe a yard and a half or so, maybe a yard and 2/3 of this fabric. But I have seen some pictures on Pinterest of some outfits, and I just wanted to give it a shot. I really didn't know what I was going to make with it, but I'm happy with how everything turned out. The construction was pretty simple. I used a tank top and a pair of jeans as my guide, and then finished it off with some bands at the shoulder and at the ankle, and banding around the neck. And that's it. And I think it turned out so great. I got a lot of compliments on it. The fabric feels wonderful. Project number 2 is a reversible floral modest crop top. Yes, I know that is a long title, but that is what it is. Again, I found some pictures on Pinterest to use as kind of an inspiration. Now, this is something that I had never done before on this scale. In terms of a reversible shirt, and when I bought the fabric, I actually thought I would make a dress out of it, but that is not how it turned out. But I love this shirt. I love the fact that the weight that it has, since I doubled up on the fabric, and it's just a fun, nice top that's not a pregnancy shirt or a t-shirt. Hello. Now, the next project did not turn out as successful as the first two. It looks really bad, guys. I'm going to be quite honest. But at the end of the day, I learned a lot from doing this project, like making sure I have fresh needles, not pulling too tight on my neckband when I am sewing stretch fabric. And so this outfit has turned into a set of pajamas. The top is done. The pants are not complete. I have to finish out the waistband. And you can see how wavy it is. So it did not turn out good, but the lessons that I learned were quite invaluable. And so there you have it, guys. Once I heal, I will be able to move on to my next sewing projects. Well, finish out those pants and then move on to my next sewing projects that I already have some inspiration for, guys. And that's it. Y'all know the drill. Hopefully my foot heals in the next month or so, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.